Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making a Tiki classic, the Jungle Bird, a cocktail I came across in the Smuggler's Cove recipe book. It's a vibrant orange cocktail thanks to a combination of Campari and pineapple juice, and a pineapple frond with a curved straw gives it the perfect vibe for a summer afternoon. But let's get to the recipe. First, you'll need a black blended rum. I landed on the Hamilton 86 as I just picked it up and it has a good rich flavor, but Gosling's Black would work just as well, and might be a touch easier to find. Rich demerara syrup to add a rich toffee element, Campari for a bold, bitter grapefruit rind kind of quality. Just trust me on this one. Not to mention the ruby red color. For the juice, you'll need a fresh lime and pineapple juice, which we'll dive into shortly. So gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. First, the pineapple juice. Fresh is best, frozen will work with some patience, and canned if you must, but you'll want to dial back the syrup you use. I decided to use some frozen pineapple chunks to create less waste. The juice yield is relatively low for pineapples, so I went with a little under 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks, so I'd have enough juice for a few. 1 full pineapple yields about 2 cups of juice. If frozen, allow it to soften for a few hours first. Once sufficiently soft, grab a blender of your choosing and start blending. It took longer than I was expecting, so I'd recommend allowing the frozen fruit to sit in the fridge overnight before attempting. Once sufficiently blended, grab a measuring cup and a fine mesh sieve and or a cheesecloth, and allow gravity to start extracting the juice while you build the rest of the cocktail. For quicker results, use a cheesecloth and wring it tighter and tighter. Set to the side, grab your bar mat or find a clean station, a shaker tin, and a small lime. Cut and juice, or measure a ½ ounce of lime juice and pour it in. Limes are quite small, so be mindful of that with the juicer you use. Next, measure out 2 ounces of your frothy pineapple juice and add it to your tin. To that, add a ½ ounce of rich demerara syrup, then 3/4 of an ounce of Campari, and lastly 1½ ounces of your black blended rum. Next, you'll need some crushed ice, so go get your blender out and start pulsing, or clean your station, grab your Lewis bag and mallet, and start beating the cube out of some ice. You're probably gathering that this drink is a labor of love. Once you have some crushed ice, return to your tin and start adding a few scoopfuls in. In total, you probably want about 2 heaping scoopfuls. I managed 1 big one and 2 mid-size. Shake well for 5 seconds, grab a double rocks glass or something fun, like this 10-ounce Corona barrel-shaped glass, and carefully pour your cocktail. I love the color and texture. It visually reminds me a lot of the Hurricane. Grab a pineapple frond for garnish, or feel free to use a pineapple chunk or a lime wheel. And then grab a hockey stick shaped straw for fun. It's bright, it's nice, and balanced between the sweetness from the fruit and the bitterness of the Campari. If you're not huge on Campari, this might be a decisive cocktail for you. Be sure to try it while it's still warm outside. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below for any cocktails you'd like to see, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.